Good morning from Kentucky Kingdom. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. How's it
Or
going?
good evening if you decide
Hi.
to watch
Oh, hi. Yes, we are all here.
Okay, today's about me and Brennan.
We're excited to be back in Kentucky Kingdom. It's been a long time since we've been here, a couple of years. I think the last time we were here was for a Keys to the Kingdom event when Derek was speaking on the stage. So it's been a little while. We're excited to be back. The park has actually invited us to come in a little bit early so that we can film some POVs. Derek's got all of his GoPro stuff. Obviously, I have my new Meta glasses that we're gonna play with. That's super exciting. We are so excited. We cannot wait to go in. Thank you to Kentucky Kingdom for inviting us out and letting us come in and film early. The only tricky part about the day is we are under what they're calling a heat dome that has settled over the East Coast. So temps today will reach up into the hundreds. But we are prepared. We brought all of our stuff. We're gonna hang out in the water park. Obviously we brought all of our electrolytes and all the things. So as long as we don't die from about 1 to 4 p.m. when temperatures are over 100, we should be good. Of course I woke up this morning with whatever the heck this is. Lovely. Thanks, life. The barn is super cool.
Please place all provided, or you want to ride it, bud?
Derek and Braylon are riding Flying Fox. They're gonna ride it a couple of cycles, get some like really good POV footage. This is so much fun. Is it fun?
Yeah, it's better than Dragonflyer for sure.
There's some theming right there with Jeb Fox. We're in his barn. You're a test pilot going through Kentucky. We're going over the aviation and agricultural history of Kentucky.
Yeah. You ready? Is this fun? That's awesome.
Yeah.
It's so much fun.
Was it fun?
It's so smooth.
Like the first turn, I guess.
First turn?
It's the turn over to the path.
Yeah, that's a really good turn. It's really snappy, very
Yeah.
forceful.
Yeah,
It caught me off guard.
I like that.
Yeah, definitely caught me off guard, but super fun. I think we're gonna ride a lightning run now. Are you excited?
Yeah.
It says it already feels like it's 105.
We're going to Mountain Swamp.
And I have 2 shirts on.
Aren't you professional?
I try to be.
Oh, well, I guess you can't ride. That's how tall you were the last time we came, because you were only like 2 years old. Boy, it'd be nice to have a stroller. Why do you have to be so big? You have to carry all this stuff.
How was it?
It was good.
So as good as you remember it?
I mean, it's a touch slow, but it's even more.
Yeah.
How do people wear glasses? Because, like, maybe it's just because it is up. The real feel is like 104 at the moment, but I'm like sweating and they just slide right off my nose. So I don't know how you people do it who have to wear glasses.
I see glasses.
That is our ultimate destination today. We're gonna get there. Kentucky Flyer. It's like the surface of the sun, and it's only 10 o'clock. We may die today, but that's okay. At least we're having fun. Let's just say Derek is the perfect definition of a good dad. He's walking around, getting his footage, having fun riding roller coasters, and yet he's got Leander up on his shoulders because his hat is hard to walk. He's a great dad, that's for sure.
I couldn't ask for any other.
Right? He's the best.
Other than when I'm like, I'm crocheting in spare time. He's like, alright, y'all done. And I go upstairs and I'm like, oh, let me keep crocheting.
No, he's a wonderful father and he does a great job. We're very proud of him. We love him so much. All right, last but not least, Wind Chaser. When we were here 5 years ago, this area was completely barren. Like, there's nothing over here. They've added so many cute things, all these little bee things and this bee ride. It looks incredible over here now. So cute! All these flowers. Everyone fell out. We're the only remaining surviving riders. We're gonna give up on the hair for the day and call it a loss. So whatever's going on with my hair is what it is. So the theme of the day is drink more water. So my bag broke, just completely snapped off. So that's exciting. So we have filmed on 4 of the roller coasters. Like, what an incredible opportunity. We're so thankful to Kentucky Kingdom for bringing us in and letting us have that opportunity. That was like not only so much fun, but just such an honor, and we're just so thankful. So now that that part is all over, we are going to grab our swim stuff, change into bathing suits, and head into the water park, because otherwise we'd probably die. So we're gonna go enjoy some water and have some fun in the water park, cool off. Can't wait. He gave us all sorts of goodies. You having a fun day? Yeah. You're cooked?